Owning a home is more than just having a place to live. It's a significant financial investment. One of the most rewarding aspects of homeownership is building equity. Understanding how home equity works is crucial for any homeowner. Imagine your home as a piggy bank. And equity is the money you're putting in. As you pay down your mortgage and your home's value increases, your equity grows. This equity can be a powerful tool for your financial future. It can provide financial security, open doors to investment opportunities, and even fund major life events like your children's education or a comfortable retirement. In this essay, we'll explore the ins and outs of home equity, how it grows, and how you can monitor it effectively. So, what exactly is home equity? In simple terms, is the portion of your home that you actually own. Is the difference between your home's current market value and the amount you still owe on your mortgage. Let's say you bought a home for $300,000 with a $60,000 down payment. You have a mortgage for $240,000. If your home's value increases to $330,000 and you still owe $220,000 on your mortgage, your equity would be $110,000. Equity is dynamic. It fluctuates based on various factors, including market conditions, home improvements, and your mortgage payments. Understanding these factors is key to maximizing your equity growth potential. The real estate market is like a roller coaster with its ups and downs. When the market is strong, home values tend to rise, increasing your equity. Conversely, during market downturns, home values may decrease, potentially reducing your equity. Location plays a significant role in market fluctuations. Homes in desirable areas with strong demand often experience higher appreciation rates. Economic conditions, interest rates, and even local factors like new developments can impact market trends. While you can't control the market, staying informed about market conditions can help you make informed decisions about your home ownership journey. Strategic home improvements can be a smart way to boost your home's value and consequently your equity. Renovating your kitchen, upgrading bathrooms, or adding square footage can make your home more appealing to potential buyers. However, not all improvements are created equal. Some renovations offer a higher return on investment than others. For instance, kitchen and bathroom remodels tend to yield a good return on investment, while swimming pools or high-end landscaping might not. Before embarking on any major renovation, research current market trends and consult with real estate professionals to ensure your investment aligns with buyer preferences in your area. Section 5. Mortgage payments. Chipping away at your debt. Every time you make a mortgage payment, a portion of it goes towards paying down the principal balance of your loan. As you gradually reduce your mortgage debt, your equity grows. This process is known as amortization. Initially, a larger portion of your mortgage payment goes towards interest. Over time, the balance shifts and more of your payment is allocated to paying down the principal, accelerating your equity growth. Making extra payments on your mortgage, if feasible, can significantly reduce your loan term and increase your equity at a faster rate. Section 6. Property taxes and insurance. Hidden factors in equity building. While not directly related to your mortgage, property taxes and homeowners insurance can impact your equity building journey. Property taxes are based on the assessed value of your home, which can fluctuate with market conditions. If your property taxes increase, it can feel like you're taking a step back in terms of equity growth. Similarly, homeowners insurance premiums can rise due to factors like increased rebuilding costs or changes in your coverage needs. It's essential to factor in these expenses when assessing your overall equity building progress. Consider appealing your property tax assessment if you believe it's too high, and shop around for competitive homeowners insurance rates periodically. Section 7. Real-life examples. Witnessing equity in action. Let's look at a real-life example to illustrate how equity growth can play out. Imagine a couple, Sarah and John, purchased a home for $400,000 with a 20% down payment, which is $80,000. Their mortgage is $320,000. Over 5 years, they diligently make their mortgage payments, reducing their principal balance to $280,000. During this time, the real estate market experiences moderate growth, and their home's value appreciates to $450,000. Their equity has grown significantly. They now have $170,000 in equity, which is $450,000 minus $280,000. This equity represents a substantial return on their initial investment and provides them with financial flexibility. Section 8. Monitoring your equity tools and strategies. Keeping track of your home equity is essential for making informed financial decisions. Fortunately, several tools and strategies can help you monitor your equity growth over time. Online home value estimators, like Zillow or Redfin, provide estimates of your home's current market value. While not as precise as a professional appraisal, these tools offer a general idea of your home's worth. Your mortgage statement typically includes a breakdown of your loan balance, showing how much principal you've paid down. Reviewing your statement regularly helps you track your progress. Consider getting a professional appraisal every few years, especially if you're planning to refinance or tap into your equity. An appraisal provides a more accurate assessment of your home's value. Section 9. Conclusion. Embracing the journey of home ownership. Building home equity is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, discipline, and a long-term perspective. By understanding the factors that influence equity growth, you can make strategic decisions to maximize your returns. Remember that home ownership is a journey with its ups and downs. Market fluctuations are inevitable, but by staying informed and adapting to changing conditions, you can navigate the real estate landscape successfully. Embrace the power of home equity and watch your investment grow, providing you with financial security and opportunities for a brighter future.